The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hello and welcome to The English We Speak. With me, Fei Fei.
And me, Roy.
We may sound a little different. That's because we're not able to record in our normal studios during the coronavirus outbreak. In this program, we have a phrase that means to keep talking about something, usually in a boring or annoying way. You kept talking about some band this morning. What were you banging on about?
What do you mean banging on? I wasn't hitting anything this morning with a pan. I was just talking about music with Neil.
Exactly. You were talking about it so much, and I was trying to work. Banging on about something isn't literal. And why would you mention a pan? It means you were talking about something to a level that it became annoying.
Ah, the way in which you kept talking about that film, Unicorns Eat Bananas in the Stars. You banged on about it so much last week that people left the room.
That film is amazing.
Fei, you kept giving people spoilers, and nobody went to see the film in the end because you kept banging on about everything that happened.
Well, that's your opinion, Roy. Anyway, let's listen to these examples.
My friend keeps banging on about where he's going to go when he buys his new car. It's really frustrating. That person on the bus was really annoying. She kept banging on about how the prices had gone up. Will you please stop banging on about my project? If you think you could do a better job, you can do my work for me.
This is the English we speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression bang on about something, which is used to say that someone is talking about something so much that it is annoying or irritating.
Sorry, Fei. I didn't mean to say you were banging on about that film. Everyone did love your enthusiasm about it.
I'm sorry too, Roy. I just wanted to know more about the band you were talking about, so I found it annoying that I didn't understand.
Well, next I'll tell you more about it.
That's okay. I think I've heard enough about your taste in music for one lifetime. But thanks anyway. Bye, Roy.
Bye.
The English we speak.
From BBC Learning English.
Hi everyone, we hope you enjoyed that video and thank you very much for watching. We have so many more just like it, so if you don't want to miss a single one, make sure to subscribe and we will see you regularly. Hope to see you soon. Bye guys.